How to turn on or turn off accessibility voice feedback on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. After click on accessibility, click on vision enhancement. After click on vision enhancement, scroll down to and click on Bixby vision for accessibility. After click on this option, scroll down to and you will see voice feedback is here. If you want to turn off voice feedback, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see voice feedback is turned off. If you want to turn on voice feedback, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see voice feedback is turned on. You will turn on or turn off voice feedback from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off accessibility voice feedback on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.